Here's a step-by-step guide on how to request a ride with Uber through your transit agency program. Enter your destination. Open the app and enter your destination. Select your ride option. Under the ride option selector, tap on the default profile or payment method. If you're on a transit agency program, make sure you switch the toggle to your agency program. Request a ride. Request a ride via the UberX option for a 4-door sedan, the Pool option for a shared ride, or the Wave option, available in select cities, for a wheelchair-accessible vehicle. Wheelchair-accessible vehicles. Wave offers riders who travel with non-folding motorized wheelchairs access to drivers with wheelchair-accessible vehicles. You can find the Wave option if you swipe up until you reach the More section of the Uber app. Please note that Uber Wave is only available in select cities. Drivers are expected to accommodate riders using walkers, canes, folding wheelchairs, or other assistive devices. Riders who use folding wheelchairs can request a ride in all other options available through the Uber app. The Uber Assist ride option. Assist is a vehicle option that offers door-to-door assistance for those who require additional assistance. Assist vehicles can accommodate folding wheelchairs, walkers, and collapsible scooters, but they do not have wheelchair-accessible ramps or lifts. Uber Assist is currently available in more than 40 cities around the world. All right, you're ready to request your ride. Get where you need to go, with confidence, with independence, with Uber. Compliments of your public transit system.